Good morning, class. Sorry because I couldn't be with you in the morning, but I have some problems with internet. That's why I am going to give you the instructions by this means, okay? Let's go to the information. Okay, today is Wednesday, August 26th, and we continue with the reading Gulliver's Travels. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to watch the video again. Then, when you finished, I want you to draw all the characters in the story. Okay, so you have to start with the main character, draw the main character and his name. Then the secondary characters with their names. Okay, that's what you have to do. And draw. Here the activity is drawing all the characters. Okay. Then you have to in the second activity, you have to complete the sentences. See, and number 1, Gulliver studied and complete what he studied. Number 2, he began to work on a. Number 3, one day there was a great. Number 4, Gulliver swam to the. Number 5, the little people were of Gulliver. Number 6, a strong wind began to. Number 7, the little people called Gulliver's the. And complete. Okay, so this is very easy. So the only thing you have to do is to watch the video. Okay, and you have to do these activities. Okay, this activity is number 1 and this one is number 2. Okay, that's what you have to do today. I think that is easy to understand, so you are not going to have problems. And remember to turn in it before 12 o'clock at night. Okay, that's all for today, and I see you the next day of classes. Bye bye.